The kitchen tends to attract and accumulate a lot of clutter. Here are some tips to help you keep your kitchen and keep your things organized. Hi, I'm Mark Renner from Berkshire Hathaway Ambassador Real Estate. I'm known as Mr. Omaha. That's my logo in the upper corner of the screen. Wasn't that a great video about keeping your kitchen decluttered and organized? I just love it. Let's review, because the video went kind of fast. Let's review those things that were on the video. Keep your kitchen clutter-free with these tidy tips. First, determine what is necessary. Go through your kitchen and sell or donate things you don't use. Weeding out the items that you don't use and need may free up a lot of usable space. And assign a home for each item. The kitchen is a place to store items that you use for cooking and eating, not for your keys, mail, shoes, and other items. So designate a spot for every item that belongs in and out of the kitchen. Keep the counters clear. Only keep things that you regularly use on the counter. Create an organizational system for cabinets and drawers, and consider hanging pots and pans on wall hooks. And put things away. After you use something, put it back where it belongs right away. Get in the habit of putting things where they belong to prevent constant clutter. Very down-to-earth, logical suggestions that we all need to be reminded of from time to time. I'm Mark Renner from Berkshire Hathaway Ambassador Real Estate. My contact information has been streaming below the screen. And if you have any questions about real estate, buying, selling, downsizing, mortgages, builders, whatever, please give me a call at 402-690-1687 or email me at mark@markrenner.com. I thank you for watching today. Have a great day and be safe.